Also earlier, the Nigeria Bar Association came out in defense of the Chief Judge of Rivers State, Simon Amadi, following a petition against him to the Department of State Services. We have details in this report.
Lawmakers are alleging that in his official records, the Chief Judge of Rivers State, Simon Amadi, gave false information about his age. While this is a serious allegation that many agree should be investigated thoroughly, the Nigerian Bar Association says security agencies do not have the authority to do so. In a joint statement, chairman of the 8 NBA branches in the state wondered why the House failed to channel their petition to the National Judicial Council.
In the case of the judiciary, any complaint against one of its officers is dealt with by the National Judicial Council, which alone has the authority to carry out any disciplinary action or authorize any investigation against any judge. The role of security agencies is clearly defined, and they also must respect due process and work within the ambit of the law.
They are aware they have lawyers in the House of Assembly. They also have lawyers on their retainer. So they should comply with the process. The National Judicial Council is the clearinghouse when it concerns discipline of judges. Due process should follow. When there is a complaint against any individual, the person is also given the opportunity to be heard.
The NBA is warning against perceived attempts by political interests to intimidate or compromise the judiciary.
It is therefore advised that the judiciary should not be intimidated into succumbing to blackmail, bullying, or political pressure in the discharge of their duties. The need for the protection of the judiciary cannot be overemphasized.
We do not want the judiciary to be drawn into the political crisis. Judiciary is said to be the last hope of a common man, including the politicians. So the judiciary should be left out of politics. Let the contending parties seek ways to resolve the issues. And of course, there is also alternative dispute resolution.
Political crisis led to the shutdown of courts in Rivers State between 2014 and 2015. The NBA appeals to all parties to peacefully resolve their differences to avert a recurrence.